Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into one of the best indoor waterfalls available. The MSEONWXI Indoor Fountain Waterfall Tabletop Rockery with Glass Ball. This beautifully designed piece combines elegance with tranquility, making it a perfect addition to any home or office space. Let's start with what makes this indoor fountain stand out. It features a mesmerizing glass ball atop a rocky structure, illuminated by color-changing LED lights. These lights not only enhance the ambiance but also create a soothing visual experience. The fountain measures 7.09 inches in length, 5.91 inches in width, and stands at 9.84 inches tall, making it compact enough for most tabletops. Powered by a corded electric source, it's easy to set up and enjoy. Functionality-wise, it's designed for easy assembly and maintenance, offering a gentle water flow that produces a calming sound, ideal for creating a peaceful environment at home or in the workplace. Crafted with attention to detail, the MSEONWXI fountain blends natural elements with a modern aesthetic, making it not just a decor piece but also a conversation starter. In conclusion, the MSEONWXI Indoor Fountain Waterfall Tabletop Rockery with Glass Ball is a testament to both form and function. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or simply add a touch of tranquility to your environment, this fountain delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques. Until next time, stay tuned for more insightful reviews here on Product Critique.